We're here today at the Outdoor Audio Camp where we're talking about the Sonance Outdoor Audio System and the Neptune Outdoor Televisions.
Those pans that I was talking about, see this, that makes sure it's perfectly aligned so you never cross-thread a screw.
The experts that are here talking about the TV systems and the sound systems have been very informative and clearly the top of their game.